Since using PV design, we have been able to reduce our overall engineering workflow by about 50% because it combines many features like CAPEX estimation, AutoCAD designs, even battery storage simulations. So that has tremendously given us a time advantage. On top of that, we have also been able to design several megawatts of storage, which was impossible before. We did not have an alternative solution for battery energy storage design. And this has definitely helped us to improve our applications for grid connections to stationary BESS projects throughout Europe. And thirdly, it has allowed more of our engineers to be trained, which is a huge advantage for us in a short period of time.